Being a hero is easier than you think.
Hi there, I'm Greg Dueck. I work with Peace Energy Cooperative as the solar sales and designer at our Dawson Creek office. My wife and I have been members since 2003. What I do every day is design solar systems, so I start with usually a Google image or another mapping system that gives me an image of the property and the roof areas. Then I use a solar design software to lay out the arrays and any shading that is there, the type of equipment you're using, the orientation, etc. From that I get an energy estimate for the year, and we use that to finalize the system design, order materials. This is that system installed on a house here in Dawson Creek. Notice the pergola over the back deck, which provides shade for the house to help keep it cool and provides a nice living area outside. We also have other systems we've designed in the area. This is out near Chetwynd, 100% net zero. This is a smaller array in Fort St. John, 100% net zero, but a smaller house also uses a lot less energy, so different size systems. Out near Hudson's Hope, this one they have an electric car, so they actually help to fuel their electric car with their solar system. This one's near Charlie Lake, and a ground mount system. We can also do a ground mount on a sea can, so you have a multi-use space for storage and a workshop perhaps. And out in Hudson's Hope, of course, we did 9 large solar arrays. This is the large shop as a roof mount unit, 100% net zero, designed specifically for that building. This is an array in Alberta that we did last year. It has a multifaceted roof and nicely fits in with the property. So that's what we do every day, is we design solar systems, custom designed based on your budget, the solar potential, and your goals. Give us a call at Energy.ca on our website, or at our Dawson Creek office, or our Peace River office.
We can all be a hero.
Become a member of Peace Energy Renewable Energy Cooperative today. We're bringing clean energy to the world together.